Welcome back to the show. This morning we're getting a behind-the-scenes tour of a beautifully restored 1905 Tudor home in Bay City, highlighting the historic charm, and it could be yours, right? In the sponsor segment this morning, we welcome to the show Jaime Snapp to fill us in. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Great to see you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, first off, I'll be honest, I've never had a realtor on the show.
Oh, really?
We're talking about a home listing, so this must be a pretty special home.
It is.
That you're trying to highlight.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get right to the beauty shots here. Tell us all about what you have listed, a little history. What are we looking at here?
So this home is actually a little bit of a big deal because the original owner was Homer Buck.
Okay.
And he is one of the gentlemen that introduced sugar beets from Germany to Bay City.
Oh, wow. And we all know that that's a staple crop.
Yeah, absolutely.
In the area. Yeah, tell us a little more of the story there. So did he have this home built?
He did have this home built. It was built originally in 1905, and then throughout the years it went through different homeowners.
And it looks like every corner has been touched in this home. It's pristine.
Absolutely, it is. And all of the major mechanicals have been redone. So your electrical, your heat, your AC, all of it is new. Interesting,
yeah. I mean, exquisite woodwork as well. I mean, talk about how really this home is keeping history alive.
Well, one of the things that my sellers were adamant about is keeping some of the detailed fixtures correct to the period of the time that the house is built. So a lot of like the chandeliers and all of the doors are like original. The handles, the brass hinges, all of it is original, and they took time restoring every little thing, including all of the windows. Nice.
Well, all those things that you mentioned really tell the story of the home too. And I know that we live, you know, at least lately in the modern age, you got the grays and the beige, and some people are into the newer look, but talk about how this is really a great home for people who are interested in older historic homes.
Well, if you absolutely love natural woodwork, you have got all natural wood. Look at that entryway. That's the front entryway. Oh.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Yeah.
I bet it's even nicer looking in person too.
Oh yes, absolutely. This is the kitchen. It's a little bit more modernized.
Sure.
And
the best of both worlds.
Oh, very much so. And then you have some of your cherry red oak, and everything has been restored. All of the flooring, this bathroom, the tile that you see, those are original tiles to the early 1900s.
Very nice.
That they were able to find.
Like you said, period restorations.
Yes.
You know, overall, why are you excited to offer this home?
I'm very excited to offer this home. First foremost, it is in the historic district of Bay City. So it's kind of an exclusive little neighborhood to get yourself into. And keeping our history alive helps us determine where we go tomorrow.
Very nicely said. Where can they find the home? Where is it located?
This home is located at 820 North Johnson Street in Bay City, Michigan.
Yeah, you can't miss it. You can't miss it.
Nope.
All right, we showed you all the beautiful details. There's more information on your screen. Maybe it could be yours. But thank you for sharing the story. And interesting to hear, again, that backstory about bringing sugar beets
to
the thumb in the Michigan area. Good to see you.
Good to see you.